Everyone's scared of the word suicide, and everyone should be. But you might be thinking why I started this video with such negative word. But the thing is, there is place in Himalaya which has this word in its name. Today we will see the holy and glamorous iconic Kinnaur Kailash Mountain peak, Suicide Point in Kalpa, and we will also discuss about why it's called the Suicide Point. In last episode we left Chitkul in afternoon, but then while going to Kalpa we came across simple yet majestic place, and there we experienced our first glacier water. This place is so much photogenic. It's a small village in the area of Rakcham. So again we have come on another very beautiful spot. So you can see this water, which is basically this water is directly coming from the glacier, and it's so crystal clear. Water is so crystal clear that you can literally see the stone behind it, and it's very cold. The crystal clear water from the Himalayan glacier. It's actually a very different feeling that actually I cannot describe in the words. Being here in such calmness is very beautiful. Basically this is all kind of glaciers there. From there this water coming from the melting, and this is I think direct contact of the water with the land. So this is the part, this part I meant to say. That's why it's very beautiful. And also the small bridge are increasing the beauty of this place more dynamically. Yeah, it's very beautiful. So this spot basically in the Rackcham village, which is very much near to the Chitkul, which is between the road of Chitkul to Kalpa, or either you can say Chitkul to Shimla road, and it's too much photogenic location. All the glaciers and the mountains side, and the small bridge here, so people are clicking photo there. After clicking some nice photo and sitting for a while in such peaceful environment, we left for Kalpa. The first place we visited in Kalpa is Suicide Point. This viewpoint is really going to give justice for this name. One can really get scared if he can see a deep valley from here, and he might also fall down. To avoid such accident which happened in the past, this viewpoint is now covered with metal railing, and it's really safe to go now, but still you have to be very much focused. So this is the Suicide Point here, and it is again one of the famous spots here in the Kalpa specifically, because from here you can see the look of the Kinnaur Kailash Mountains. And before, I think 1 year before or something like that, so this railing was not there, so it used to be open point, and it used to look very beautiful. And actually I will just show you the valley. Basically there is Suicide Point, but actual view of the Suicide Point and the depth of the Suicide Point you can see if you come little bit ahead of the Suicide Point, because with Suicide Point you can see the view of the Kinnaur Kailash Mountain. I think in GoPro it might not be that much visible, so you can see. So that is Suicide Point, and behind that there is Kinnaur Kailash Parvat. So that's the view. So if you come here to the Suicide Point, and if you want to hear the echo, then also you can do that. So let's say, I don't know if GoPro is able to capture it or not. I will just try. Hello! I can hear the two echoes. I don't know about you. So I can hear the two echoes. Kalpa is also famous for its miraculous mountain view of Kinnaur Kailash peak.
The golden hour has made this mountain peak shine more in its glory.
Now there is a sunset time, and this is actually what view of Kinnaur Kailash Mountain looks like from the Kalpa. So basically this is totally the Kinnaur Kailash Mountain, and if you want to go there, there are the trekking of 6 day for the Kinnaur Kailash Mountain, and there is also shivling, so it is not visible in the GoPro, but I will attach the photo with it. It is somewhere here, my finger is pointing out. Yeah, so that's why the Kalpa is also famous for, because you can actually see the view of the Kinnaur Kailash Mountains.
And we were so lucky and fortunate that we got a hotel with such a beautiful view. And we didn't miss this chance to fall in love with this mountain. This is very short episode, but on next episode onwards you will see what the coldest deserts look like, and I will say actual Spiti Valley start from this episode onwards. So just stay tuned, and yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.
The landslides are usually on this road. So now we are standing at the confluence of Spiti and Satluj river. This is a Nako lake.